Impressive Garden Inventions encompasses a wide range of tools designed to assist you in every aspect of tending to your plants, flowers, and greenery that enable you to shape and nurture your garden in style. These are the 10 most impressive garden inventions in the world. 10. GROWVER. This is a robotic lawn care system designed to assist with watering and maintaining lawns. This particular robot focuses on efficient and economical irrigation using a jet irrigation method, which reduces water consumption by approximately 50% compared to spraying methods. The robot can be connected to a garden hose and controlled remotely using a smartphone app. Through the app, users can monitor water consumption and other parameters related to the robot's operation. The project's author has made the software and drawings available to the public, allowing skilled users to customize the robot according to their specific needs. 9. Field Trimmer. The days of laboring for hours to landscape your front yard are long gone. Even the most difficult activities are now much more achievable thanks to the huge variety of specialized equipment available on the modern market. One such device is made especially for pruning bushes and enables you to quickly and easily shape several plants. This machine makes the procedure simpler because there are no tough calculations or problems. The crucial element of this machine lies in its rotating blade, meticulously designed to effortlessly slice through unwanted branches and leaves. Developed by the renowned Italian company, Landi Group, it showcases their commitment to innovation. This remarkable feature allows for the creation of circular bushes in a diverse range of sizes, with widths spanning from 40 to 100 centimeters. Additionally, the cutting height can be finely tuned within the range of 0 to 40 centimeters, granting further flexibility. Operating at a speed of up to 400 cycles per hour, this cutter minimizes the need for human intervention. It can be comfortably operated from a standing position, further enhancing convenience and efficiency. 8. Smart Log Splitter. This is an advanced device designed to efficiently and safely split logs for firewood or other purposes. It incorporates smart technology to enhance the splitting process and improve overall performance. The Swedish design team that created this product is confident about its effectiveness as a family-friendly, safe wood splitter. With sales of more than 500,000 copies, it is already patented and a best-selling product. It is advised for working with logs up to 22 inches in length and weighs only 21 pounds. It only requires charging or refueling the device to get it ready for use. The creators are certain that their invention serves as fitness equipment in addition to protecting your back and shoulders. Because of its small size, it is safe and useful, environmentally friendly, and requires little storage space. 7. Gardening Cedar. If you have seed beds alongside your beautiful lawn, then you'll find this gardening cedar particularly interesting. It enables you to work on 12 rows simultaneously, showcasing its versatility and flexibility. Notably, the cedar allows for a minimum distance of 2 inches and a maximum distance of 28 inches between the rows, providing options to suit your specific needs. Moreover, the seating density is adjustable, and the cedar can even function with just one row. Weighing 75 pounds, this cedar incorporates 2 rollers that effectively break up clumps of dirt and compact the soil. The developers are confident that it only takes a couple of minutes to adjust the cedar to specific conditions. It operates at a speed of up to 2 miles per hour, ensuring efficient and timely seed distribution. However, it's important to note that this tool comes with a substantial price tag of $1,357. 6. Turf Cutter. Removing damaged or withered grass can be a more demanding task than it initially appears. Manual methods used to be time-consuming and labor-intensive. However, today, specialized machines like the HSC 18 Turf Cutter from Classic Pro, an American company, have simplified the process. This compact and speedy turf cutter is touted as one of the fastest in the market. With a transport speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour, it is 35% faster than its competitors. It features a working blade that ranges from 30 to 60 centimeters in size, centrally located for uniform cuts. It can cut up to 6 centimeters deep, but the machine's performance doesn't stop there. Its blade strikes the turf at a rate of 20 times per second, and each cut is 50% longer compared to similar turf cutters. These features contribute to efficient and effective grass removal, ensuring a smooth and rejuvenated lawn surface. 5. Edge Blaster. This is an innovative garden tool designed to streamline the cleaning process while also conserving water. It tackles the challenging task of cleaning pathways and sidewalk edges with ease and efficiency. Unlike traditional cleaners that often use excessive water, the Edge Blaster optimizes water usage while delivering exceptional cleaning results. Equipped with high-pressure water technology, it swiftly and effectively removes stubborn dirt and grime. Its built-in wheel enables effortless maneuverability along the edge of pathways and sidewalks, ensuring thorough cleaning without causing damage to nearby lawns or gardens. With its long handle, users can comfortably operate the tool without straining their backs. Its powerful water pressure allows for efficient dirt removal at a walking pace, saving both time and effort. By using this innovative tool, users can achieve clean and well-maintained edges, enhancing the overall appearance of their outdoor spaces. 4. TerraTech Transplanter. This is a reliable and versatile gardening tool designed for efficient plant transplanting. With its ergonomic design, adjustable settings, and precise depth control, it simplifies the process and improves productivity. This durable tool is suitable for gardeners, farmers, and greenhouse operators, offering a comfortable grip and easy operation. Overall, the TerraTech Transplanter is a valuable tool for anyone involved in planting and transplanting activities. 3. Fruit collecting devices. The process of collecting fruits from the ground can be laborious and time-consuming. To address this challenge, the Austrian company Humor Machine and Bow has developed reliable, straightforward, and affordable equipment specifically designed for fruit collection. These devices come in various sizes, offering different working widths, ranging from 45 to 141 centimeters. One distinguishing feature of these fruit collecting devices is the capacity of their containers, which can hold anywhere from 18 to 95 liters of fruit. Additionally, they are designed to handle challenging conditions, capable of collecting fruits even when the grass is as high as 30 centimeters. These models are equipped with containers with a total volume of 24 and 36 liters, respectively. The equipment is suitable for harvesting fruits of various sizes, with diameters ranging from 3 to 15 centimeters. 2. PLOUGHS. Ploughs are essential agricultural tools used for breaking up and turning over soil before planting. They come in various designs, from traditional to modern mechanized versions. Plowing improves soil structure, enhances water absorption, and controls weeds and pests. By preparing the soil, ploughs contribute to the successful growth and yield of crops in farming practices. 1. Garden Groom Pro. This specially created tool has a futuristic feel to it. It is designed specifically to cut hedges and has 3 different functions. It is appropriate for users of all skill levels because it can cut, chop, and collect clippings. To reduce the possibility of accidents, including injuries and cord cuts, the trimmer has blade protection. It enables a simple collection of cuttings with a waste container that can carry up to 1.3 gallons and a suitable 13-gallon bag. Long hours of labor are made more comfortable by the passenger handle design, which ensures precise control even while using gardening gloves. For about $100, you can purchase a completely completed trimmer that can be used to operate on trees and shrubs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below what machine you would love to see next. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon, and click on the screen to check out the next video.